Does your iPhone battery drop fast even when you're not using it much? The problem might not be your battery, it might be your apps. Some iPhone apps drain way more battery than others, even in the background. Today, we'll show you the apps that use the most power and what you can do about them. Just to be clear, we're not saying these apps are bad. Most of them are useful, but if battery life matters to you, you need to manage them correctly. Let's start with social media apps. Apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat are some of the biggest battery drainers. Why? Because they constantly refresh content, load videos, use the camera, microphone, and run in the background. Next are apps that use your location. Maps, delivery apps, ride-sharing apps, and even some weather apps. If location access is set to always, these apps can drain battery even when you're not using them. Then we have streaming apps also use a lot of battery. YouTube, Netflix, streaming platforms, especially when you watch in high quality, higher brightness, higher resolution, and constant data use equals faster battery drain. Games are another big one. They push your processor, graphics, and screen all at the same time. The more advanced the game, the faster your battery drops. Even messaging apps can drain battery. Apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Messenger stay active for notifications, calls, and media syncing. So here is what we recommend. You can go to the settings and then check the battery in your settings, okay? And then scroll down and see all the apps that you've recently used them. You can limit background app refresh, change location access to while using, lower video quality when possible, and close apps you don't use often. So if your battery feels weak, don't replace it immediately. First, check your apps. Small changes can make a big difference. So if this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Phonotech. More iPhone battery tips and smart fixes are coming.